My name is Nicholas Ting, and I'm a board-certified and fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon specializing in adult reconstruction. In my practice, I focus on primary and revision hip and knee replacements, as well as minimally invasive, robotic-assisted, and direct anterior total hip replacements and knee replacements. I'm proud to have served the Kansas City region since 2019. I completed my residency at the Cleveland Clinic, followed by my fellowship at the OrthoCarolina Hip and Knee Center in Charlotte, North Carolina, before I started practicing in Chicago first, before moving to Kansas City. When I'm not working, my passions are family, food, and fitness. In regards to the latter, as an orthopedic surgeon, I know how important function and fitness are, so I make that a priority. Practicing orthopedics at the Kansas City Orthopedic Alliance is great because we're physician-owned. This means there's nothing standing between me and providing great care to our patients. I have a great team here, and we're all focused on patient care and support. After all, returning patients to the game of life is the whole reason we're here. My philosophy to surgery is technologically oriented, but patient-centered when it comes to treatment. You can find me at the KCOA offices in Leawood, as well as on the plaza. If you have any questions about the Kansas City Orthopedic Alliance, contact our office. It would be an honor to care for you.